Hello there. Today we're going to embed a Rumble video into Elementor. For that, we're going to use the custom iFrame plugin by Coderz Studio. It helps you embed almost anything on your website. It's light, easy to use, and works great with Elementor. So first, let's get the plugin on your WordPress site. Step 1. Install and activate the custom iFrame plugin. Open your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for Custom iFrame by Coderz Studio. A plugin card will show up. Hit Install now, then Activate. This plugin can embed PDFs, social posts, Google Docs, videos, audios, web pages, basically anything with a link. Alright, plugin's live. Let's embed your Rumble video in Elementor. Step 2. Get the Rumble video link. Open the Rumble. Navigate to the video you want to embed. Then click the Embed button and now copy the Embed iFrame URL. Now, Step 3. Add the custom iFrame widget in page. Go to the page or post where your Rumble video needs to shine. Click Edit with Elementor. In the Widget panel, search Custom iFrame. Drag and drop the widget right into your layout. Step 4. Embed Rumble video in Elementor. Go to Content. Into Source URL field, paste the link. Now, let's customize the widget settings. Set the height and enable lazy load for better performance. Now, in the Style tab, set up the width, border, box shadow to match the Rumble video with your site's design. Finally, save your changes. Click Update or Publish and that's done. Your Rumble video is live on your site. Check Caption to get doc guide and plugin links. That's how embedding Rumble video is simple with custom iFrame plugin by Coderz Studio.